Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make tortang tofu. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need a tofu, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, salt, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of flour, and then onions, garlic, spring onions. Okay, so the ingredients. And then 1 egg. Okay, and then we're gonna mash the tofu first. Mm. Mm. We're gonna add a little soy sauce, a little oyster sauce. Okay. Salt. Okay. And outside to fry this tofu, the tortang tofu. This. Mm. Mm. Okay, so just put 3. Okay. Okay guys. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Our tortang tofu. Okay. Okay guys, so that's our tortang tofu. It's done. Okay. Okay, so okay. It's yummy guys. Tortang tofu is done and it's super yummy and very simple dish. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. Tortang tofu.